energy. So I prosper to not see to not grudge me. And so I appreciate everything. All the problems I appreciate, all the shame I appreciate it. Everything in life, anything to do with me, wrong, left, right, upstairs, downstairs, or hand. Bad blood, I'm telling them it's a different type of blood that I got. Not no fears me, not hairstyle, no fingernail. Belt drive from my chest and a nasty blood clot. Not to my true loyal crazy, pardon to my loyal crazy. And this is for the drunkards. And I gotta buy some plane ticket, man. Someone will live a bingo every blood clot. They change the atmosphere now, man, and stop grudge men. Angles. You have to have angles. You understand? Alright, this now put me nowhere. You ain't no mother. You ain't no mother. Nobody don't know you. And because you're a nobody, that's why you're on my page. Because I am someone, you have to be on my page. But who are you? Where do you come from? What are you doing on my TV telling me that I ain't nobody? You want to thief my husband as well? No, I can't thief my blood clot husband. I'm going to get a couple of fuck and get it twisted. And then I get no more. I'm going to go all who get already the whole ass. And then I get numb blood clot more than too enough. And I take this thing too far. Like when in a competition for run come on internet to come take my husband and spread him power iron board and a stink na blood clot. Oh no. Hmm? But God knew that's the is the word. Nobody know what to do. What so you not do with them? I said, pussy. I said, do watch fat pussy. I'm on it. You know, much I know me sit down and reading a message and me telling them I still gonna do with them. And every time do a job I see it, me get him phone. Wow, that's nice. Good evening, officers. Hello. Queen Ray, blessed love, girl power, queen power. Eh? That's the peace officer. No. I'm very recognized and well respectable. I don't know how respect me. Natural. Mm-hmm. Yes, as I was saying, no, I'm husband. You know, my child, I tell every time, sir. When I go run, I go tell Dewey, can you angle this? All I want to tell Dewey. And Dewey hide. My most blood clot fine, because I may do it. When I'm doing, I make no blood clot sense. My tired for telling. I ask him. Every girl with them do it, I do WhatsApp. When I think drop a sleep so nice to the phone, I watch YouTube. I just take it out of my hand. Nice. Then I root to no. Some of them just say, Queen, we have to come back on the noise of my phone a conversation. I don't have no time to take a phone a burden. And phone then if I sit down and drop them now, I have heart attack and depression. Oh! What? Nobody don't know you. I don't burn you. Come a famous popular. I'm a Atlas blood clot tax. I'm a young husband. Yeah. My young husband may fight for him. Who not like blood clot it and I bite it and then Skype it. Type to tell him. My husband, hello! I am fucking famous. I'm the fucking queen. But I don't like it if I know no niece and no cousin, or no goddaughter, or no godson, the whole of blood clots and not for run down. Anybody who don't know me, well, it's different. If I'm gonna come across me, Queenie, there is something about because I'm beautiful. Sure, it's good to happen. Yes, I'm here hanging on with life, making the best of life, whichever way it comes. Because when them say man a plan gotta wipe out. So sometimes you plan things and it don't work out that way there. So however we fucking work out, I just work with the camera. Hot girl, top girl, never a flat blood clot girl. I'm not getting at your style tonight. My time my blood clot and I wash my face, brush my teeth, splash that shit on my arm and throw the clown on my private and go to go. Set my pussy please, set my pussy back. Let me never get the fingernail and that. I miss that me telling about me, you know. Nothing can stop blood clot to me. Material things, me not frightened over. Them exist. I'm a tolerate them. But really, they don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Take these niggas something tonight. Rastafari! Blessed love. You have it on my end? Yeah, in the car. Or the come use the tongue and lick out underneath my arm. All I saw was something from, what time we left Portmore this morning? 12 o'clock? From 3 past 12. All I sweaty dirt. All I muck and curl them. All who have problem take on the motor and hype out this and the one and the don't go so. We don't know more to not take on the tongue and go so. And, and my arm. Under my arm. That's what you must do. All you have a problem with me? Come and lick out and eat out under my arm. Okay? Good. But really, you know, when you make me over here, I cuss, you know. I don't want no wig for my head, girl. I can't cope with no wig now. I go through menopause, me at, and Jamaica at 3 different sections at that. I can't put no more wigs at. I don't want no wig, virgin. Jamaica, you have to know that dirty foot hustling on. Yeah. Me can't, if I feel here and it itch me, say no, me I tear it out, you know. Why? Me not have no earline, you know, watch out. Anytime I have on the lace with them and me tired of them and them I itch me, tear them. From it irritate me, okay, I will give it. Jamaica too, and me can't cope with no with my love, so. Bumble clot, him that gone? Oh, Mush gone and leave me. Yeah. Hello, pretty girl. Good evening. What? Alright, so don't cut out the fucker now. Let me put on my eyeglass to read it. How much on over? I saw much on over here, fucker. Don't miss me. Can you give me your just? We haven't figured the another year's time. I too may have to come at airport. We never get to figure the oh, somebody help me, I'm a better, please. Somebody can give Queenie a delivery, a pizza delivery style and come to me figure the end of the car. Oh, somebody, you saw better God that you can live me. Better, ooh. Oh God, better. Better you know, you're just afraid that I'm going to be. I don't have no fucking links. Whoa. I remind if you were saying then I told her. Him can't reach it. I don't have how to figure
That's
the other
okay.
years style, miss. No! This is not.
Good evening.
Wow, good evening.
I
How
live
are you?
in
Where you
Toronto,
calling
Canada.
from? Don't call Canada name to me. Whisper. Shh.
And when do
Go
I
on
come
like
to Canada?
go on like Canada. Go on like Canada. Where you come from? At the rate of me people that they are Canada right now, and they are Canada and come back again. I'm not reach Canada now. When Jesus say yes, God say I'm not ready for me to come to Canada yet. So, I'm disappointed at me, but I'm so rich. You don't know nobody
I'm
I'm
a
up here.
St. Mary girl.
You from St. Mary? But did they St. Mary last week? I'm going to St. Mary and Portland. Okay? 2 days. Oh God, she's not a Jezebel. Yeah, you got enough Jezebel out there. Hey. Who knows it is a Jezebel? I know people are Jezebel. And when them see me, oh, she the work. Maybe not a salon. Them have salon, but we can't just turn up in a salon. So remember them have appointment. I mean, no one going to any salon either. Remember me a girl in my queen. Remember me a celebrity. You know, I remember the little party. What, my girl? Remember I am a celebrity. So I cannot just spend any year just a salon just to pull up. So that's why I'm asking my children crazy to assist me with one of their professional just because I still don't want any cribble things. Before me say cribble, I just can't make that go tonight to dance. Yeah, man, and don't leave me the fuck alone. I don't know if I live life. Me not stop flying till them buy me for fly. And now they ever buy me for fly because I quit. But tell that England. England should go, man. Hi, again. You know, I'm ready to come about Jamaica too. But I might two places. Jamaica / Britain. And then the entire world is mine. Anyway, cut out the fuck, you know. No, you're just a... Well, I'm on beard. I don't tell us if I can use the tongue, I'll clean me down. Lord, you saw a tongue. Ooh. But either way, just come quick. Ooh. Should I take your sour tongue to bathe me, or should I stick with my stinking tongue? Oh, I'd rather stick with my stinking. No, say if I get to and put all your tongue and then smell it after your own. Ooh.